Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to talk about the 5 different ways a man can become, legally speaking, the father of a child in Texas. Who is the father of the child? In Texas, there are 5 ways in which a man can become the father of the child. Number 1, the man meets the conditions to become the presumed father. Number 2, the man acknowledges he is the father. He does this by voluntarily signing a document along with the mother of the child saying he is the father, and he files it with the Texas Vital Statistics Unit. Number 3, the man legally adopts the child. Number 4, the court declares he is the father of the child. This usually consists of a lawsuit in which the man has submitted to a paternity test, and the results prove he is the father. Number 5, the man consented to assisted reproduction.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.